In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect smoothie. Let's get right into it. Alright, for the ultimate smoothie or milkshake you can pick, you can get some strawberry nesquik, some strawberry milk, and to add some more flavor, some sugar. Step 1. For the first step, you need to at least put the ice at 40, or half of it, or 40 in my perspective. So let's get the ice. Step 2. You're going to want to pour the milk right above or right at the ice. Step 3. Wash the strawberries. Oh no, my strawberry. Definitely don't do that. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Just a pinch. We know what happened last time when a pinch affected everything. Maybe one more pinch. An explosion. Step 7. Step 8. Enjoy with friends. There you have it, folks. The ultimate milkshake slash smoothie. Enjoy.